Mixed emotions?
Yeah, a little bit. I think it resulted in a bit of an anticlimax, but we have to take the positives from it, which is another clean sheet, another point to where we want to go. You know, we're still nearly there. So it was a bit of a frustrating game, obviously, for everyone involved. And as you say, you feel a little bit down for some reason, but then it's important to remember, what happened.
Because it was all set up for yourselves to do it yourselves today, wasn't it?
Yeah, it would have been nice, especially at home today. That's what we all wanted, obviously, everyone involved. But it was, they made it very difficult. I think, in the second half, towards the end of the game and stuff, when we really need to push on. A lot of the boys, especially in front, was a bit leggy, probably from the other night and the quick turnaround and the flight. So we didn't really have it in us to really push on and get the goal.
For all that, you're disappointed being top of the group?
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm sure when we go home in the week and stuff, we can enjoy this week. It's been a great week. 4 points from any international week is a good return. And we played well today as well. As I say, the boys were struggling a little bit with fatigue. They made it difficult, and they came for the draw and they got the draw. And we could have beaten them down. I think we needed to score in that early period, and we started the game very well. And then they would have had to come out a little bit more, made it a bit easier for us.
You're going to watch Cyprus tonight because you could still be through tonight. I mean, we were talking to you in a bit of a limbo situation, really.
Yeah, definitely be watching it. It'd be nice as soon as we can get it done. However, we can get it done. We will take that definitely. As I say, it would have been nice. We all wanted it right now, but we haven't got that. We haven't. It hasn't happened for us. So, however, way as quick as possible. We'll be happy with that.
It's Wales. It's 57 years. It's never easy, is it?
No, definitely. They made it difficult, but I think it shows how far we've come as a team. That people are coming here and being really happy just to get a point out of it. So it shows the respect that teams have got for us. They didn't go as planned today, but we're still on the right track.
And did you feel you should have had at least one penalty?
I thought we should have had a lot of things that we didn't get. That's the way it goes, especially in international football. But at the end of the day, in the game, I thought we had enough of the ball, on another day to score the goals that we normally do, which didn't happen today. And it is football, especially at this level. You don't always get what you want, but the only thing you can worry about is working as hard as you can and trying to perform on the day, which we did to a good level.
And 5 clean sheets on the bounce for you now.
Yeah, very, very pleasing with that. Big Wayne just come up to me then and said, another clean sheet. We're happy with that. It didn't really feel like they was ever going to score. It's just about keeping the concentration when we had so much of the ball. They didn't hit us on the counter attack, which they was trying to do. But we're definitely happy with another clean sheet, of course.
Enjoy tonight.
It might be a bit better after the Cyprus-Belgium game, but yeah, we'll enjoy it. I'm too tired really to think right now. Cheers, Rob. Cheers, guys. Thank you.